Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to showcase your services on your Facebook page. Displaying your services can help potential customers learn more about what you offer and drive engagement. Let's dive into the process of adding your services to your page. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, denoted by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu. Next, switch to the specific page where you wanted to highlight your services by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Select the page you wish to switch to. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Then, click on the edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Basic Info section and locate the field where you can list your services. Enter a detailed list of the services you provide in the designated area. Once you have added all your services, tap Save at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Congratulations! Your services are now prominently displayed on your Facebook page, making it easier for customers to understand what you offer. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your page with essential information about your services. Stay tuned for more valuable tutorials and tips.